everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a quick video over the e-file that I've been using for the past about 4 months, or a nail drill. Drill sounds so bad, to like drill your nails. It gets a very bad like rap for saying that, but it's an electric file and it's from Melody Susie. These are some of the details. Feel free to go back and pause and read more about it. It's low vibration, low heat. This is everything that comes with it, as you can see in the picture. It comes with some little cheap bits, honestly, that I don't recommend. I mean, they're good throwaways to see if it spins, but yeah, that's about it. These are the dimensions in case you're curious. It is rechargeable, so it does have a belt clip, so you can wear it on your hip if you're working in a salon and you're trying to do a pedicure or work mobily, whatever. This picture is weird. I don't know. I guess it's baby quiet. I don't know, but sure. It, like I said, I've used it for 4 months, and I wanted to use it for that amount of time so I can give you guys a fair opinion. And I actually used it in my day-to-day as a professional nail tech. This goes to 35,000 RPM. It lasts for a good amount of time with the charge. I had a Medicool before. It lasted longer, the rechargeable one, but for the price, I can't stress this enough in this video, for the price, this is a very, very great option. And I do have a discount, of course, but again, I've been using this for 4 months with no problem. So they didn't just send this to me and I'm like, hey you guys, here's a coupon code for something. I don't even know if it's good. No, I've used this with clients hundreds of times probably by now. So this is the box. Like, I just found the top. Like, it looks dingy. Again, I wanted to show you guys that I actually have been using it. So excuse that, it's got an acetone on there, whatever spilled on there. So the handle, I really like the hand piece. I enjoy. It's not too heavy. It's not too bulky. I'm showing you that it does have a belt clip. That's where the plug goes in the back. Of course, it's rechargeable, so it can be removed. I don't know if they recommend you just using it while it charges, but I do. That was a little hole, and I feel like it's for a dock. This is a separate one. This is not the one it came with. I think it came with a purple one, but I'm sad it doesn't have a mount that connects to the actual motor piece. But I'm just showing you that it locks and unlocks with the twist of the hand piece. It's very secure. I haven't had it be loose at all or slip. Now this is the little cheap one that I was using when my Medicool went out, and this one was okay. And I felt like me comparing these to the Melody Susie was a very fair thing to do, because this one is very, very cheap. Marquette, I think that's how you pronounce it, has it for $59, but you can get it also for like $30, and this is on Amazon. So I just want to compare just a cheap one and a more expensive one to show you the quality. And this is the ProPower 20K from Medicool. It's the one I've had for years, so I'm just gonna also compare it also. So I'm gonna let you hear the sound of the e-file, just so you can tell the difference. And this is the cheaper one, the Amazon one. You can hear it has like this sound. I don't know. This one I've dropped a million times. It was so quiet. So this honestly isn't fair. The ProPower used to be so quiet. And I just want to show you how they file. Now I'm using this very aggressive bit from Atwood, of course. But you can see the torque in that Medicool. Took everything down real quickly. I'm having to push real hard with this Amazon one, but it also worked okay. But it slows down, it bogs down. Now with the Melody Susie, it's very comparable with the pressure that I'm pushing as the Medicool. And you see I can just take down products so fast. Again, this is a very good bit from Atwood Industries. It's the Red Baron. Check it out. But you also need a good e-file with not a lot of vibration or heat, comfortable on the hand. Vibration doesn't only hurt the nail and cause, indentations and inconsistencies, but also it's uncomfortable to your hand to have that vibration going through it. So this is just very quick video. Again, I do have a discount code. It's Tabitha Scott. There's links below. If you're looking for an e-file, definitely check this one out. The price, I believe, is like $130 right now. It's not a little amount of money, but for the quality of the e-file, it sits significantly above the cheap little Amazon one. But if you're starting out, okay, I understand. If you're looking for an investment of a good e-file that's not $290, I believe I paid for my Medicool. I think the Koopa is even more, like $399, $400 something dollars, depending on the colors. I just want to show you guys the hand pieces. On the left is the Medicool, the middle is the Melody Susie, and on the right is the cheaper one. The cheaper one, it has a bigger hand piece. It's bulky, it's fat. The Medicool is shorter, but the Medicool and the Melody Susie, the weight is about the same, and the diameter, the thickness of it is about the same as the Medicool. I actually I didn't have a Koopa. I felt a Koopa hand piece, and I find it significantly heavy. The Manny Passport Pro, I find it significantly heavier than the Medicool or the Melody Susie. So I think it's really good on the hand. You don't want to hold something heavy that's spinning and you're using it for hours in place of, a hand file. Electric file is supposed to streamline things and make them faster and easier. So again, I believe this is $130 right now. I think they're having a sale. If you use my coupon, you get 12% off. It's a weird amount, but hey, a discount is a discount. So if you have any questions, leave them down below. Again, this goes to 35,000 RPMs. I believe the Medicool goes to 30,000, and the cheaper one from Amazon goes to 30,000. I honestly don't see a difference speed wise. It works very similar to my Medicool, so that's why I'm here presenting it to you guys. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the link below. 2 thumbs up. Bye.